Hi, Eric with ForgeCon Conclusions. We're here today. We've got two silver rings. The guest asked for these to be refinished. So first we're going to make sure that they're round. Then we're going to go through, we're going to polish everything up. And as you can see, the black ink that's in the rings is non-existent. So we're going to reapply some enamel in there to make the silver stand out. Alright, the next step, we're going to polish up the inside of the ring and we're going to polish up the outside of the ring. We're going to be using a variety of different compounds, and we'll talk about that. You might be familiar with using a file or using sandpaper. Jewelers have a variety of different compounds. We have more aggressive compounds like this one. We have this one's a medium, and then this is fine. And basically going through the progression of coarse to medium to fine allows the metal to be polished up to a mirror bright shine. Now that we've got the rings cleaned up on the outside and polished up a little bit on the inside, now we're going to take it over to the buffing machine and do the outside polishing. Now that the rings have been polished, you can see that they have compound on them. This will have to be removed, so now it's going to go into the ultrasonic and then it'll get steamed. The rings have been cleaned up. Now we're going to put black ink into the recesses. You can see this one's got a pretty good step on it, so the enamel will sit in there pretty nicely. This one, it has less of a recess, but it'll still make it look pretty good. Now that they've got a coating of enamel on them, we're actually going to stick them on top of the steamer. That way they'll warm up and dry faster. And then we'll use a little bit of thinner acetone and we'll remove all the excess material, and that'll make it so that way you have that nice relief of darkness in the depth and the bright shiny silver on top. We finished enameling these two rings. As you can see, the pattern really pops out now. Thanks for tuning in. ForgeCon Conclusions. Like, comment, share. Be fantastic and help support our channel. Thank you.